Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export multiple artboards in Affinity. If you're working on a project with several screens, social graphics, or variations, exporting them all at once can save loads of time. This technique is especially useful for designers creating app screens, website layouts, marketing graphics, social media posts, or branding materials. Instead of exporting every artboard manually, you can prepare everything once and let Affinity handle the entire batch export process. I'll walk you through a clean, repeatable workflow that works whether you have just a couple of artboards or an entire set. First, open your document that already contains multiple artboards. This workflow scales perfectly. The steps don't change based on how many artboards you have, so you can use it confidently on small or large projects. Before exporting, make sure your artboards are properly named and organized. This will make it much easier to identify your exported files later, especially when working with larger projects that contain many designs. Next, choose the artboards you want to export. Hover over an artboard on the canvas to highlight it. Then click to select. To grab several specific artboards, hold the Shift key as you click. And if you want everything, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac to select all artboards in one go. Selecting only the artboards you need gives you more control. For example, if you have different versions of a design in the same file, you can export only the final approved versions instead of creating unnecessary files. A quick visual check in the Layers or Artboards panel helps confirm what's selected before exporting. This small check can prevent mistakes later. It is always better to confirm your selection before starting the export process, especially when working on client projects or large design files. Now, open the Slice panel, go to the menu, open Studio, and choose Slice. If you plan to use this often, you can click the three dots at the top to open the Studio Manager and add Slice to your workspace, so it's always one click away. Keeping the Slice panel docked makes batch exports much faster and easier to repeat. The Slice panel is designed to simplify exporting multiple areas of your design. Once it is set up, you can reuse the same workflow whenever you need to export updated versions of your artboards. With the Slice panel active, look to the export options here. Pick the file format, preset, and pixel format that match your needs. PNG is a great all-purpose choice for crisp, lossless graphics and transparency, which is what I'll use here. Choosing the right format depends on where your files will be used. PNG works well for digital graphics, icons, interfaces, and designs that need transparent backgrounds. Other formats may be better for photographs or specific professional workflows. If you're preparing assets for web or UI, double-check the scale and color profile so the exported files match your intended output and display correctly. This is important because incorrect scaling or color settings can make your exported designs look different from what you created inside Affinity. At the bottom, click Slices. Affinity automatically creates a slice for each selected artboard, so you shouldn't need to add anything manually. Take a second to ensure the checkboxes are enabled for the artboards you want to include and that the preview looks correct. The preview gives you a final chance to confirm that the correct designs are included before exporting. This is especially helpful when your document contains many artboards or different design variations. Click Export Slices. Choose a destination folder that's easy to find, such as a dedicated exports folder inside your project, and then click Export. Creating a dedicated export folder keeps your project files organized and makes it easier to locate the final assets when you need them later. Affinity will render each selected artboard using the format and settings you chose, keeping everything organized and consistent. When it's done, your artboards are saved as individual files, ready to share, upload, or drop into another app. This makes the workflow much faster when you need to send multiple designs to clients, upload assets to a website, or move graphics into another application for further editing. That's all there is to it. Open your document, select the right artboards, set your export options, and let Slices handle the batch work for you. Using this method will help you maintain a faster and more organized design workflow, especially when working on projects with many screens, layouts, or graphic variations. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.